Dear students, all of you are already heard about the topographical maps, and we had a glance in the topic topographical maps. Today we can start a detailed study about the topographical maps. These topographical maps are also named as topographical sheets, topo sheets, or ordnance survey maps. In India, topographical maps are prepared by Survey of India Department with its headquarters at Dehradun. These maps are multi-purpose and they show natural features and man-made features. These maps are very useful for planning, defense, tourism, etc. The Survey of India Department was set up by the British surveyors. Then Indian subcontinent was divided into 137 divisions. 1 to 137 are the index number of these topographical sheets. Each sheet is divided into 16 parts. Each part is denoted by capital letter from A to P. Each part is subdivided into 16 parts. They numbered from 1 to 16. Maps of India and adjacent countries series were prepared on a scale of 1 is to 1 million. That means 1 centimeter of the map is able to show 1 million centimeter of the ground. Therefore, they are commonly known as 1 million maps. These maps are also known as index number maps or 4-degree maps. In this figure, you can see the map which has the index number of 44 is able to show the latitudes between 28 and 32 and longitudes between 72 and 76. That's why they are named as 4-degree maps. Each 4-degree map or the index map is further subdivided into 16 parts and are named from A to P. The scale used here is 1 is to 2,50,000. That means 1 centimeter of the map is able to show the 2,50,000 centimeters of the corresponding distance on the actual Earth's surface. These maps are named as 1-degree map because they are able to show a distance of 1 degree latitude and 1 degree longitude. From this figure you can understand each 4-degree map is further divided into 16 parts which are named A, B, C, D up to P. They are the 1-degree maps. These 1-degree maps are again divided into quarter-degree maps. That means they are showing the extent of 15 minutes longitude and 15 minute latitude. And they are drawn to the scale of 1 is to 50,000. That means 1 centimeter of the map is showing 50,000 centimeter of the actual Earth surface. After the independence, Ordnance Survey maps issued by the Survey of India began to be drawn to the scale of 2 centimeter to 1 kilometer. That means they adopted the metric system of measurement. In this system of coordinates, the area is divided into 100 kilometer into 100 kilometer squares, with each square identified by 2 letters such as PQ, QC, UQ, etc. Each 100 kilometer square is further subdivided into square of 1 kilometer. This system of map drawing is known as National Grid Reference. In our class, we will learn about the topo sheet number 45D7 and 45D10, which lies in the western part of India on the border of Rajasthan and Gujarat. In an ordinary map, generally we use latitude and longitude for locating a place or an object. But topographical maps are very large scale maps. Latitudes and longitudes cannot help us to locate places or objects. Thus, we use another set of vertical and horizontal lines. Their intersection will help us to point or locate the object on the topographical sheets. The letters QC and QD given in this topo sheet are the alphabetical codes used to represent the biggest grid square of 10,000 square kilometers. The vertical lines which run from north to south and increasing their values towards the east, they are named as eastings. And the horizontal lines which run from east to west and increase their numbers towards the north are named as northings. These eastings and northings cut across each other to form squares or grids. The origin of the grid system is in the southwest corner of the map. These lines are the basis of reference to landmarks and places shown on the map. When we write the grid reference, eastings are given first and then the northings. For example, the four-figure grid reference of the given point is 3211.